welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you are here for the first time, then hi, my name is Kalpana. I make makeup and lifestyle related videos on my channel. I'm so glad that you are watching this today. If you enjoy watching me, then please subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon so that you don't miss any videos. Alright, so in today's video, I'm gonna chit chat with you guys while I create this smoky brown shimmer eye look. So yeah, are you ready? I don't have any specific agenda to talk about, but yeah, I just wanna chit chat with you guys while I do my makeup. And also I'm super happy because I'm filming continuously. Like I just took a break yesterday to edit my Nykaa haul wali video. Otherwise I've been filming every day this week and I cannot be more grateful than this. So yeah, let's get started. We are gonna do makeup, lots of makeup today, and makeup makes me so happy and alive and whatnot. So yeah, I've already moisturized my face, but before applying makeup I like to have a fresh layer of moisture on my face. It makes my face look very fresh and plumpy and dewy. So I'll just pick up whatever moisturizer I can spot near me. Wait, I have this Pond's Light Moisture, my ultimate favorite these days. I'm gonna apply this. So what I do, I generally take more than I require for my face, and I just massage this onto my skin nicely. I'll just take 40 seconds. I'll just do this for the next 40 seconds. This keeps my face hydrated for so long and my face feels so fresh. And also it doesn't give me that greasy wala feeling, man. It feels so light on my skin. So it's not super light and it's not like super heavy. So yeah, it's really good. Oh my god, there are like so many spots on my face. This all has happened in last 3 weeks, I think. Before that my face was pretty clear and nice. I don't know what happened, but it's okay. We're gonna take care of that. मुझे बाल टाई करने की बिल्कुल आदत नहीं है. I'm also applying some lip balm on my lips. This is my regular Juicy Chemistry Blood Orange and Rosehip Organic Lip Balm. It smells really nice, but I think most of their lip products smell same. I've used their 2 lip scrubs and this is my like 3rd product, and all smell exactly same. Yeah, but I really like the smell. This is very mild and not overwhelming at all, and I really like this lip balm as well. Most of the long staying lipsticks are drying in nature. Applying lip balm in the beginning keeps your lips very hydrated and juicy and make them ready for any drying lipstick. So skin prep is done. Let's move to the makeup and let's see what foundation I have to pick today. Okay, so I'm picking these 2 L'Oreal foundations. This is their Infallible Pro Matte and this is True Matte Super Blendable Foundation. I really like the formulation of this because it is like very dewy, it's not matte at all, and I love non-drying dewy products, but this is not my right shade, I believe. Like this is the right shade in general, but this particular foundation oxidizes on me and looks very dark on my skin in few minutes. So maybe I'll try for some lighter shade. For now I'm mixing it with this foundation, so shade won't be a problem. I'm just taking this much of this foundation and 1 pump of this, maybe let's 1.5 pump of this one, and then I'll just mix it up and dot it. Okay, wait, I forgot the primer once again. I don't know why this happens with me, but every time I just move to the foundation after my skin prep. प्राइमर मुझे हमेशा फाउंडेशन लगाने के बाद याद आता है, बट टुडे इज लिटिल बेटर डे और मुझे लगाने से पहले ही याद आ गया. सो फॉर प्राइमर आई एम यूजिंग दिस नायका प्रेप मी ऐप. Or now, even if you will apply foundation for just like 2 or 3 hours without primer, there would definitely be a difference, and my foundation starts cracking up at some places. It might not show sometimes in pictures, but I can easily identify कि आज primer नहीं लगाया है. So it's very very important. I'm just dotting this foundation on my face. Taking my damn beauty sponge to blend this. You can also use your foundation brush to blend this foundation, but I feel more comfortable doing it with the beauty sponge. By the way, this is from the Drugstore company. The company's name, the brand's name is Drugstore. Okay, disclaimer, my foundation might look a lot lighter than my skin tone, but actually में ऐसा बिल्कुल भी नहीं है, because in mirror it is looking perfectly fine. Sometimes due to the lighting, the colors do not show up exactly. Driving it towards the neck. For concealer, I'm using LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Pure Beige. I used to use this concealer a lot earlier, but now I go towards Maybelline Fit Me more. I don't know why. I like them both, but probably because I like Maybelline Fit Me applicator more. I love this concealer. Okay, so earlier I used to use it like almost daily. This was the only concealer that I had that time, and I used to use it continuously. Okay, I'll go with Maybelline Instant Age Rewind. In the shade, what is the shade? Okay, it is 120 light. It is actually very light for my skin, but I'm gonna put a little bit of this under my eyes to brighten my eyes a bit. I'll be setting my base using Maybelline Fit Me Loose Powder. Then I just like to take this Nam Beauty sponge and dab it on my face so that all the base products get melt together. Okay, let's move to the eyebrows, and I'm just using this Miss Clear eyebrow cake. Just touch it. So for today's look, I'm going back to my Makeup Revolution palette. This is their Flawless 4 palette. Very famous, very good quality and affordable too. Can you see the colors in the palette? I mean, like, whoa, it has like a lot of browns, a lot of pinks, and so many shimmer shades. They are super pigmented. They are easily blendable as well. So yeah, I really love this one, and also this was my first eyeshadow palette, and when I got this palette I didn't know what to do with that because I was like literally zero in makeup, especially eye makeup, because yeah, I've never applied eyeshadow properly, and seeing so many colors in the palette, I was like, करना क्या है, मतलब क्या करना है, कैसे लगाना है. So I'm taking this color as my transition shade, taking it on my blending brush. I'm just taking a clean blending brush and blending the edges of this eyeshadow. उसके बाद I'll switch to a smaller blending brush. I'll take a dark brown color, so I'm taking this color and just touching this a little bit, and I'll start applying from outer V. I'm just going back to the clean blending brush and blending everything. Then I'm taking a smaller blending brush. So I'm taking this color right here, and I'm just touching black very slightly like this. I'm gonna put it outer V like this. I'm just blending this dark color. I'm taking the same dark brown color lower lash line as well. Next, I'm taking this shimmer shade right here and applying it on my lid. This looks nice, but I'm gonna take this color, which is like a little light. I'm just quickly taking my transition shade and blending this color. Now I'm going to take a black kajal very quickly. This one is from Lakme Iconic. I'm going to line my lower waterline and tightline my upper waterline as well. I'm just smudging this kajal with the help of my finger. Now I'm quickly taking my Chambord eyeliner in black and draw a wink. I'm going to quickly curl my lashes and put some mascara. I'll put falsies later on. Let me do rest of my face now. Okay, so since I've started using bronzer, I have not touched my contour at all. But today I want to go back to my contour once again, and this is the only contour palette that I own. Okay, so this is Clammy Blush palette, and it has just one contour shade right here. Never heard of this brand before getting this palette. So what happened was, I was looking for a nice blush or contour palette for Diwali, not this one. I think for last year's Diwali 2019. And I've already heard so much about Sivana palette, so I was like, okay, this is very affordable. Yeah, let me get this one because it has so many blush shades and all that. But then instead of Sivana, this Clammy palette came, and I had no option to return because Diwali was almost there. I didn't return it and decided to try this out. I have not used this palette a lot. I used to use this earlier, but now I don't use this much. But this is just fine, not that bad. So I'm taking this contour brush. This is Lakara F003. Now I'm taking my bronzer and just applying over this contour and little above as well. Now to clean up the contour, I'm taking my loose powder and the same contour brush that I used, and I'll just clean up the edges. Dusting off this powder. Now for blush, I'm using this Sugar blush in the shade Peach Pink. I will be using Maybelline Nude Nuance. Such a darling shade to me. I just love this shade. I love everything about this shade. And to line my lips, I'm using K by Katarina lip liner in the shade Fame. To get that ombre on my lip, I'm gonna use this Miss Claire lip cream, soft matte lip cream in the shade 59. What I'm gonna do is, it's like a nude shade, so I'll just put in center of my lips like this. I'll just blend this slightly. Alright, I'm done with my lip. Now the time for highlighter. I'm going to use my Master Chrome from Maybelline in the shade Molten Gold. Okay, it's Lakara F004. Only highlight and powder brush I own. I'm using the same highlighter to highlight my inner corners of eyes. Let me just set my face with the setting spray. This is the final makeup look. Brown, smoky, shimmer eye look. I loved how this turned up. When I started filming, I had no idea what I'm gonna film. I just randomly picked the colors and did this look. So happy right now. If you enjoyed watching this video, then give a big thumbs up to this video. Also subscribe to my channel, and you can click the bell icon so that you don't miss any videos. And I'll see you very soon in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.